Psychotherapy Networker is the way the psychotherapy field finds community and connection. And the reason to come to it is not just the wonderful speakers they have, but the amazing opportunity you have to meet colleagues and hang out and just connect. So come to the Networker if you've never been, and if you've been, you already know what I'm talking about. It's a fabulous place to develop yourself as a person and a professional.
I think Networker is special because it really is a unique space. There aren't very many professional spaces where you have people from all sorts of walks of life, different stages of development, but even people who aren't directly housed in the field you get to hear from, right? That we all get to be in this one big conversation together.
I look at it as therapist high holy days. There's 3,500 people, lots of good information, a lot of cutting edge things you hear here first, and then the rest of the year you start hearing it in the media and in the mainstream culture, so that's why, to be on the cutting edge.
The symposium is special because it's a place where therapists can meet other therapists, they can feel belonging, connection, they can find stimulation, excitement. We need to get together and share. If we're stronger together. The symposium is a special place. It has been for years. There's nothing like it. You've got to come.
There's just such a feeling of camaraderie between all of the therapists who come here. It's like being with all these people who you feel understood by. And, all the presentations feel like they're geared toward how we in the mental health community can make a difference in the world as a whole, which is huge.
Oh, the Networker is just a large intellectual and clinical playground. You know, myself and all of our friends continue to talk about it throughout the year. So I highly recommend people coming, whether it's for the first time or for the 30th time, that it always gives. It's a gift that keeps on giving.
I've been coming here every year for I think it's like 34 years. And it just gets better and better. It's the premier psychotherapy conference in the country. Particularly this year, the plenaries were amazing. Come on down.